Thank you all for coming. Shall we begin the discussion now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we're here to talk about the natural week. And in my opinion, organize a tree planting activity is the best activity that can organize in the natural week. And then the tree offer the winds and noise break. In my view, tree make the life nicely. It has been shown that spending time among tree and green space reduces the amount of stress that we can carry around with us in our daily life. Besides, uh, the tree can reduce the UV heat excellent effect through evaporating cooling and reduce the amount of sunlight that is packing load and buildings. Tree also can improve our air quality by filtering harmful dust and pollutants such as ozone, carbon monoxide, and also sulfur dioxide from the air we breathe. Next, through careful planting trees can access to your entry community.
I agree with your opinion. In my opinion, I want to organize a trip to a national park because going to a national park we can see and learn about plants and tree there in there. After that, going to the national park we can going to the national park because the national park is near with our university. After that, if if entrance for student low price.
Okay, I agree. For me, I agree with both Audrey's and Adli's opinion. But in my opinion, the Nature Society should organize a trip to the forest reserve, a camping trip to the forest reserve. This is because I believe that the trip will greatly show the members the beautiful side of nature. Another point is the Nature Society members will also learn to appreciate the wonders of of nocturnal animals when night falls, when we all are camping in the forest. Uh, so, because of the nocturnal animals, they are able to hear any animal noises that are hunting in the dark. Next, they will also be able to see and study the various species of plants and animals, also known as flora and fauna, that can be found in the national park. Not only will the not only will the Nature Society members learn more about the great outdoors, they will also form even stronger friendships with one another. From this exercise, they are able to build trust and form new friendships with one another. Moreover, the members will learn more about how the animals make the wild forest their home, such as we can see how the birds make their nests, how the insects make uh, shelters from rotting wood, such as the spider webs, the intricate designs of the spider webs. Next, this camping trip will allow the members to walk around more and incorporate more exercise in their lives. They will also be able to see uh, the the natural habitats and the surrounding environment and see what the forest has in store for them. And finally, the students will also be able to get more fresher air in the forest than, say, a busy city. That's all from my point. I will pass to Dava.
So, what do you have a point there, Nazura, not to say no, but then from my point of view, we can organize a recycle day. So, as one of the best activity for the week, because recycle day is basically the day for us to carry out three different activities. For an example, we can use it as the activity to reduce, reuse, and also recycle, which is the 3 R's. So how we can carry out the reduce is that we can create awareness to, for an example, to reduce the usage of plastic, for an example, which is the plastic bags. Because maybe we can make a speech kind of talk, or then we can like suggest to the students and also to everyone to bring their own bags to go for shopping and everything. And other than that, we can also be doing the reuse kind of talk, or maybe activity. For an example, we can use the bottles as the pen holder, and also we can do other than that other things from the bottle. So from this kind of activity, maybe students or maybe the people will find it fun and come and join for our activity. And other than that, the next one is that we can carry out the recycles activity. We supposed to, like, we all have to prepare the bins, the 3 bins, which is brown color, orange, and also the blue ones, so that we can ask them to come and participate with us, with bringing all the things like papers, bottles, tins, canteens, and all, so that they can together come and enjoy the environment that day when we are doing the natural week. So we can, other than that, benefits of this program is that we can teach the people to to save the environment more, like not using papers, and then they can reuse the paper with 2 double page, use that papers, and then they can reuse the plastics, which is the plastic bottles, and so on. So yeah, that's my point. So what are we going to agree? Which point are we going to be doing and organizing the activity? What do you think the best one?
I think my opinion, I'll agree with Audrey's opinion and your opinion. I think they're the best. They're the best ideas.
How about you, Adli?
I agree with Naga's opinion and Audrey's opinion.
So, as a conclusion, we can conclude that we can have the program, which is to plant a tree, like to plant trees, as Audrey said, and also to have the recycling day, to organize the recycling day. So if there is no objection, we propose with those activities. Okay?
Okay, I agree.
Okay, we end the talk now. That's all from us. Thank you.
Alright, that is all. Thank you.